How to fix eyesight naturally in 6 steps. Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you the most important steps of natural eyesight improvement. The first and most important step is to get rid of the eye muscle spasm that has been formed and to make the eye muscles more elastic. But if a person doesn't train eye muscle, if a person doesn't relax eye muscle, then how will they come out of the spasm? Second, if vision is blurry, there is not enough blood flow, just neck exercises may be not enough. Perhaps you need to do at least squats to pump the blood all over the body. And if a person has low activity and weakly moves his eyes, how will his vision be restored? For example, for myopia treatment, removing the oblique eye muscle spasm, that is eye muscle that encircles the eyeball like a belt. This spasm must be removed with relaxation and light stretching exercises. A person needs constantly actively look around with his eyes, so eye muscle will start work and improve. Third, it's also necessary to do exercises for the neck to improve the blood supply to the eyes and brain, so all necessary nutrients will reach the eyes and retina. Fourth, you need to learn how to relax your eyes and whole body, and if a person doesn't know how to relax, he urgently needs to learn how to relax. 5 best methods of relaxation I explained in a video on my channel. Eyes cannot relax if they don't get every 20 minutes rest with rare and wrong blinking. Fifth, if a person just doesn't know how to breathe deeply, then the oxygen supply mechanism works poorly for him. He needs to work with this, but of course, no one going to do it for him. He needs to do it. Sixth, you need to work with the psyche. Perhaps a person needs to go through some psychological barriers that will help him move to a new level. It's the most important to recognize all psychological problems and to overcome them, because any stressful situation can cause eye muscle tension and spasm. Relaxation habits really help to improve eyesight naturally. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.